Oh, way too close. Where's my 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3? Hey guys, Ken here. So right now I'm across. Oh, hey, good afternoon. It's a Sunday afternoon here in Vegas. Kind of cool and breezy actually. I'm standing across at the Venetian, taking a quick look at the construction going on at the Mirage. As you can see, the dome is gone. All that is remaining is just a little shell of it. And then underneath that, you can see where they've gutted that bottom floor for the new construction for the giant guitar that's coming whenever it's going to come. So you have your construction things, equipment in the lot and everything. It is sealed off, so people cannot just go ahead and walk in there, for obvious reasons. And so yeah, that is the quick update on the Mirage. Here is the Mirage undergoing its transformation to a hard rock. Some pillars are there. I haven't been at it for a little while. There are some pillars right there. Okay, and then we have our cranes. Very tall. I am not sure of the due date for all this, but they have a long way to go before any people will be allowed, any customers will be allowed inside this building. And so, good luck Mirage, transforming into the Hard Rock Hotel and Casino. Hey guys, hey, your old pal, one man, one camera here. Today we're down at the Hard Rock, where the new Hard Rock which will be located across from the Venetian, is taking over the Mirage place. Some information about that. The Mirage officially closed on July 17th, 2024, marking the end of its 34-year run on the Las Vegas Strip. Hard Rock International acquired the property in December 2022 for around $1 billion and immediately began planning the massive reconstruction. Demolition began the day after the hotel's closure, with the iconic volcano and atrium were removed, clearing the way for foundational work. The foundation for the 36-story guitar-shaped hotel tower, rising nearly 700 feet, which is about the same height as Resorts World, is now established with pilings and early floors already in place. As of mid-2025, the front podium columns are up and the first 2 floors are nearly complete. The project entails a complete redesign of the existing Mirage Hotel of approximately 3,000 rooms and casino. Pools and public spaces. A new pool will anchor the guitar tower. Room count for the guitar tower has increased, starting at 600 suites and now projected at 675, following space optimization refinements, which sounds like, to me, the layman, they shrunk enough rooms to allow them to open up 75 more rooms. That could be what happened. The pool complex is expanding by roughly 50%, and spa facilities are nearly tripling, with 2 separate areas planned. The overall project cost is estimated to be between $4 billion and $5 billion, with some reporting around $4.3 billion. Hard Rock remains confident that the project is on budget and on schedule. Now, they originally targeted early 2027 as the opening, but now the launch is expected in the fourth quarter of 2027, potentially later within that window. Today is August 21st, about 2:30 in the afternoon. It's hard to see any movement of cars going by for the construction area, cars of the equipment going by for the construction area, because I really want to get some movement on the screen. I think a lot of folks are looking forward to this thing getting done ASAP. Hard Rock is a very strong brand. A guitar, which would be a nice theme for the casino, because people do tend to enjoy these themed hotels instead of them all being the same. So a big giant hotel shaped as a guitar sounds pretty swanky. So hopefully, it'll turn out fine. Hopefully it'll be a welcome addition. They stay busy, can hire a lot of people, not just hire and fire, but hire a whole lot of folks, get them in there working hard, and I'd be very, very happy with that. All right, so we got a cement truck doing this thing, mixing things up. So what do you guys think? Hard Rock, are you a thumbs up, a thumbs down, a shrug of the shoulders? Pardon me. Do you think they will add value to the strip? All right, you guys, like I always say, see me outside, say hello, and I'll say hello back. Take care, wherever you are. Have a great day.